everybody, it's Jimmy D here. Welcome to Jimmy D's Guitar Lessons Rock Talk. Do you have a Spark amplifier and you want to get it connected to your GarageBand on your Mac computer? Stick around, we're going to show you how to do it.
Alright, today's the day. You got your Spark amp by Positive Grid. You're all excited. You got all the apps installed and everything registered. Now you want to take the next step. Hook it up to GarageBand on your Mac computer. Very simple. Grab yourself your USB cables and get ready to go. Hey guys, you got a PC? No problem. I got a video for you. It's how to connect your Positive Grid Spark 40 to your computer using the Studio One software. Here's the link above. Okay, on the back of your amp, you'll see that big white thing there. Yeah, that's a USB-B. You plug that in the back of your Spark amp, just like that, and go plug the power in. Now we want to go to the back of your Mac computer and plug your USB cable on like that. Pretty simple. Alright, fire up your Mac computer. Click on GarageBand. I'm just going to open up a new track. This was my old track. So we're going to start a new track, new project. Very simple. Close. You come here, you'll see choose instrument type. You'll notice already once you plugged it in, have the power on, that your Spark 40 amp is there at the bottom. Simple. Hit create. You'll see what track coming up. Get your guitar ready. Click on record. Let's hear some stuff. How cool was that? Now we have to add a second track. Just hit the plus up there. It's going to come to this window. Make sure that says there with that you got your Spark 40, create, and now you got both tracks going. So let's hit record. That's it. Pretty simple. On the right hand side here you could add some effects, preamps, add drums, etc. The options are endless.
Hey, how was that? Did you get it going? Did it work? Did you do some multi-track recording? Did you use GarageBand? Let me know. Please subscribe and like my video. Take care. Rock on.